There's only so much that hand sanitizers can do. The air you breathe, the stuff you eat, and the things you touch invariably invite germs, bacteria, and viruses into your body. And that is totally normal for most of the people unless your immunity is on the lower side. You can be easily targeted by various pathogens in your environment. That is why it's important to have an immune system which is functioning to its maximum capabilities that will keep the disease-causing pathogens away from your body. Today in this video, we will discuss the top 5 traditional foods that contain minerals and vitamins that are necessary for your immune system to work in tip-top form. Number 1 on our list is gooseberry. Gooseberry, also known as amla in India, is a very rich source of vitamin C. Amla is known to boost immunity by increasing the body's white blood cell counts and helps to prevent viral infections like the flu. Additionally, it also helps in absorbing calcium and iron from other foods. It improves digestive health, it eases cough and balances the stomach's acid levels. Whether eaten raw, juiced or powdered, it is available in pickles, jams, dips and spreads also. According to a Miami-based weight management expert, Dr. Georgia Kelly, amla juice can be taken as a powerful home remedy to treat cough and flu as well as mouth ulcers. 2 teaspoons of amla juice with equal portions of honey consumed every day can help a great deal in boosting your immunity. Regular consumption of amla juice helps in reducing cholesterol levels. It is also helpful in managing ailments like asthma and diabetes. Dr. Ashutosh Gautam says that the alkaline nature of amla helps in clearing the urinary system also and strengthening the digestive system as well. The number 2 on our list is neem. Neem is inexpensive and a wonderful way to improve immune health without worrying about the side effects. Neem is a medicinal product derived from the neem tree which grows in hot climates. In India, neem is considered a pharmacy unto itself. Neem can help with all kinds of skin diseases including acne, psoriasis and eczema. Neem is antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral. The best way to have it, crush some neem leaves into a glass of water, ignore the taste and gulp it. Turmeric is pretty much the star of the Indian spice box when it comes to health. Most of its immune boosting properties come from curcumin, a compound it contains that has strong anti-inflammatory effects. It shows a role in prevention of pathogenesis due to its effectiveness as a scavenger of reactive oxygen species. The effective anti-cancer property of curcumin is attributed to its antioxidant effect that controls DNA damage and free radical-mediated lipid peroxidation. Turmeric is said to help prevent the flu and even heart disease. It improves digestion and soothes a sore throat. The best way to have it is in hot milk with some crushed almonds. The number 4 traditionally used food that helps to boost the immune system is black pepper. Black pepper, also known as Piper nigrum, is an important healthy food owing to its antioxidant, antimicrobial and gastroprotective effects. Piperine, the active compound in the spice, is high in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that cleanse the body of harmful toxins. The last traditional food on our list is known by different names in different countries. In India, we call the fruit jamun or black plum. This fruit is liked by many for its unique taste, but beyond that, the fruit has immense health benefits. It purifies the blood, helps with indigestion, controls blood pressure, and regulates blood sugar levels. It boosts the immune system and reduces the incidences of fever, cold, and cough. Apart from the above, jamun is also known to promote liver health. It can help cure sore throats. It is also known for promoting bone health, among others. For millennia, species have been an integral part of human diets and commerce. The bioactive components present in them are of considerable significance owing to their therapeutic potential against various ailments. Animal models are already present for many traditional medicines and thus there is need to conduct controlled randomized trials in human subjects, cohort studies and meta-analysis. Such future studies would be helpful in recommending its application in diet-based regimes to prevent various ailments. Thank you so much for watching this video.